Here come the numbers now, and we're seeing an increase in jobless claims, 429,000. That is well above the estimate I just mentioned of 415,000 claims. And also, the revision from last week is 6,000 higher to 420,000. So it looks like we are stubbornly staying at these levels, and you've got equity futures right now still holding on to those losses. I want to get to Mike, who's been looking at these numbers. Mike?
Well, a couple of interesting things, Betty, and we should mention this right off the top. It's possible this number is completely wrong. The Labor Department says there were computer problems in 6 states, and they had to estimate the level of claims. The states include big states like Ohio and Washington, also Mississippi, Oregon, and New Hampshire. So we could see a significant revision next week. No way to tell whether the claims were estimated too high, too low, or just right. But as you say, they did rise. And not only that, last week's claims numbers were revised higher to 420,000. So overall, we're significantly worse off than we were the week before. Essentially, we retraced all of the gains of last week. And it keeps us well above that 400,000 level that people look at as sort of the sign that we're seeing improvement in the labor market. But here's something interesting. Up to this point, we had seen this increase in jobless claims, initial claims. People go in, file, get put onto the rolls. But if you look at the chart, the roll of continuing claims, those who are receiving claims and have been, has been going down. Now, this time, the number of people who have been getting claims, the continuing claims number did go up. So maybe we are finally seeing the impact of this long time of claims moving above 400,000. Finally, people are starting to show up as long-time claims receivers, and that takes some of the guesswork out of this. Maybe it's not a statistical problem.
Yeah, but that's interesting, though, Mike. I mean, that, there's a computer glitch here in some very important states that would affect the jobless claims numbers. I mean, outside of, the BLS trying to be more forceful about, putting this caveat out there, I mean, their guesses, are they anywhere close? I mean, has this happened before, or have they been wide off the margin, or what?
Well, it happened just a short time ago. We saw during the weather problems that we had in the winter, some states had difficulty getting their computer estimates done and into the Labor Department in time, and they had significant revisions after that happened. So it is possible that we'll see the same thing. We just don't know whether they'll be revised up or down. We can hope that it's a mistake to the high side.